Why don't seniors play hide and seek in the bathroom? Because good luck hiding when the shower seat is down. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on shower seat for seniors. Tip 1. Assess the needs of the elderly. Before purchasing a shower seat, it is important to evaluate the physical capabilities and limitations of the user. Consider factors such as strength, balance, mobility, and endurance. This will help you to select a shower seat that is tailored to their needs. The seat should provide safety, comfort, and independence while in the shower. Tip 2. Consider the size and structure of the bathroom. Before purchasing a shower seat, measure the bathroom and shower area to ensure the seat will fit. The size and layout of the bathroom largely determine the type of shower seat that will fit and work best. For small spaces, a compact seat or one that can be folded away when not in use may be ideal. Tip 3. Check the weight capacity. When choosing a shower seat for seniors, it is crucial to consider the weight limit. The seat should be able to support the user's weight safely. Generally, most shower seats can handle weight between 250 to 400 pounds. Always double-check the weight capacity to ensure safety and durability. Tip 4. Consider the material of the seat. It's essential to check the material of the shower seat. Some options include plastic, wood, or padded seats. Plastic seats are easy to clean, while wooden seats offer a more stylish look. Padded seats provide extra comfort, but may be harder to clean. The selected material should be water-resistant and non-slip to increase safety. Tip 5. Adjustability is key. An adjustable seat will allow the user to change the height according to their comfort. Some models also let you adjust the backrest and armrests. This can create a safer and more comfortable showering experience. Tip 6. Look for a seat with handrails or grab bars. These are important safety features that provide additional support and stability. They are especially beneficial for seniors with balance issues or limited mobility. Tip 7. Non-slip feet or suction cups are crucial. To ensure the seat remains stationary, look for models with non-slip feet or suction cups. These will grip the floor of the shower or bath and prevent the seat from moving. Tip 8. Go for models with drainage holes. This feature allows water to drain through, preventing it from pooling on the seat. This not only maintains cleanliness but also reduces the risk of slipping or sliding. Tip 9. Ease of assembly and maintenance. Choose a seat that's easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. Complicated models can put unnecessary strain on seniors or their caregivers. Tip 10. Consider comfort. Comfort should not be compromised for safety. Look for a seat with a comfortable design. This could include padded seats, backrests, and armrests. Tip 11. Inquire about price and warranty. Finally, consider your budget and the warranty offered by the manufacturer. More expensive models usually have extended warranties and additional features. However, an effective shower seat doesn't necessarily have to be costly. It just needs to be safe, secure, and comfortable for the user.